Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset or restore Windows Update if you're having a problem with it. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Troubleshoot. Best match should come back with Troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, underneath Options, you want to select Other Troubleshooters. And then underneath Most Frequent, select the Windows Update Troubleshooter and the Run button. And then hopefully this should have been able to resolve the problem. Something else I recommend doing, open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Right click on it and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now into this elevated command line window, type in SFC, followed by a space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. And once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to help resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.